couple of days ago, I showed you guys this amazing footage of a UFO captured in a storm.
Whoa!
And in tonight's video, we have another one. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I had showed you guys this footage a couple of days ago, and here's going to be the quick video clip of it.
Whoa!
Now in tonight's video, we have this here. This was taken in May of 2021 in Vietnam. Somebody was out filming the thunderstorm that was going to hit, I guess, somewhere downtown in that area. And I was skeptical at first until I saw the video. So I'm going to quit my yap, and I wanted to point this out because it's pretty quick. It's about a 4 or 5 second video. I'm going to let it play and I'll be back in just a minute. Now, I'm going to slow this down and zoom in on it just a bit so you guys that may have missed it can see. And of course, there it is there. This is some amazing footage, in my opinion, that somebody captured. Clearly, you see this UFO just hovering there over this building. There it is zoomed in there. There's no denying that something was sitting there hovering over this hotel. You guys can see here's a couple of screen captures of it before the lightning strikes. And then you can see the UFO becoming visible even more there once it strikes through the clouds. And then it's still there, of course, as lightning goes across the sky. My opinion, this is some amazing footage, and this is my first time coming across this, but look at this. I don't even know, in my opinion, if that is two crafts or just one, but it does look like there's another craft down to the right part of this, the right angle that you guys see that there. So this could be some kind of mothership craft and then another maybe probe craft or some kind of drone or something. But clearly you see this here, and of course we don't know what's floating out here at night. It'd be cool if he had some infrared goggles, or he came back and he saw this, or he has some night vision goggles, he was able to see this. But this is the clearest I can get this. But look at this. This is some pretty amazing footage here. With this, you can make out more of a saucer-shaped craft. Something underneath that could be something to help propulsion system. It could be a million and one things. We still don't know how these things operate. And then looks like little lights around the craft. That could be part of the craft to help with propulsion system. It could be a million and one things. So this is the clearest I can get this without this looking too bad and being distorted. And now that I look at it closely, that could be like a drone or maybe another spaceship right next to the craft. So I'm putting this out here for you guys to give me your comments on this and let me know what you think, because I think this was some pretty amazing footage that they captured. And this is about 4 years old. This video is in April 2025, and this is May 2021. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. I don't know what to make of this, but this is pretty amazing. And if you found anything else about this, let me know. I'll do a little bit more investigation and come back to you guys. But don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with your friends. You guys stay tuned for more videos. Appreciate you watching.
Whoa!